Okay, we have our neutral safety switch installed on the transformer shifter. You can see it's installed. And now we will turn on the power. And you'll notice that light bulb number 2 is lit. And we're in park. We're going to pull back to reverse, and you notice that the different light went on. And we'll pull back into neutral, and there we have the second light. We go back into drive or overdrive, and of course the neutral safety is off, so you can't start the car. You push back into neutral, you can start the car. Back, you can't. Go and push the button down to get into reverse. The number 1 light goes on. Push it into park. Number 2 light goes on.